Hi there. Okay, so I'm going to show you quickly how to do the alarm system in the house. Holly? So behind the front door, there's a pad. Now, there's various pads around the house, but this is the one we use mostly. There's one up also in the main bedroom. You can see there's two sort of zones. There's what we call the house and then the flat. So the flat is downstairs. You can kind of ignore that one. I don't know how familiar you are with alarm systems, but I mean, really, it's pretty basic. The only one we use is the stay and off. That's all we use. We don't use anything else. So when we kind of retire for the night, early evening, and we're not going to go out the front area, we'll close the doors and the windows, and we'll arm it by touching stay, and you type in the code, which is 45. So like that, and then it'll go yellow, and then just to turn it off, again, same code. Okay. Now, if the alarm does go off, the armed response will phone through. Now we're going to give my mom's number to them, so they'll phone my mom, and they may come up and so on, but it shouldn't go off. I mean, really, in all fairness, sometimes it might go off if we have a problem with the fence. Some of the bobbins on the fence sometimes pop off, and then if the two wires touch, then the alarm will go off. So now, in terms of the electric fence, let me just go and show you what I mean by the electric fence. So out here, just keep this, sorry. So Holly, so over here, if you look at the electric fence, up here there's a light. So when the electric fence gets triggered, and the only time it's ever been triggered is when the bobbins come off, it makes a siren noise, and that light will flash. Now, to turn that off, you need the remote. So I'm going to show you the remote. There we go. EF, electric fence, and that's pretty much it. Now, the electric fence, you turn off, I believe, there's like a control center up in our sort of wardrobe room. So you kind of just have to point it kind of in this sort of direction. You'll know when it's off because the alarm will actually stop, the siren outside. There's another thing I can also show you from the balcony here. Holly, I don't know if you can show them on the fence there. There's a little red thing. I don't know if it's going to pick up on the camera, but it's flashing. So now what you can do, you can turn the fence off. Let me see if I can do it from here. See, I'm pointing back into the house, so I'm just going to press it now. There, it's gone off. Okay, and I can turn it back on, hopefully. There we go. It's back on.
They can't see the flashing.
Oh, they can't. Okay, all right. But you can do it from here. Okay, so what we do is if one of these bobbins come off, we just turn the fence off, and then Liberty will be able to fix that over the weekend for you. But I mean, they come off maybe, I don't know, once every couple of months or something like that. Yeah, that is the alarm system.